Go.
Good morning, everybody. We successfully started Cookie's first hydrotherapy treatment yesterday.
Getting hydrotherapy.
His doctor suggested we put him in a little bit of water and walk around, and it might help his arthritis. He might eventually enjoy it. It was tricky getting him in there, but we got him in.
Good boy. What a good boy. You pooped in the water. How'd that happen?
These were his first steps walking around. Next time I'm going to put a towel down. I tried putting a towel down, but he kept floating up. Or I'm going to get a mat that he can walk on. You can watch through this video. It seems like he's uncomfortable. He's afraid he's going to slip. He doesn't seem to mind it, does he? He's not scared. Like, if he's scared and upset, he'll panic. Looks like he's walking okay, other than slipping. And normally he uses his beak to get around, so I think this is a problem. He wants to use his beak to move easier.
Good boy.
Poor guy, he's really trying to get out, but he'll get used to it. It didn't seem to be too bad.
You pooped in the water again?
So I kept going to either side of the tub so that he could walk to me.
Brad! Brad! Getting better at walking, eh? Come here. Look at you. What do you think? How's it feel?
I think he'd prefer not to be doing this, but he's doing this.
Are you a good boy? Huh? Yeah? Can I pet you?
So he sat in there for quite a while. I think I kept him there till he was a little bit cold. The water is nice and warm.
Good boy. Good boy. Look, you walk around. That must feel nice, eh?
Look at him wobbly walking around. Poor guy. Maybe he'll get better after a few of these and I get something less slippy for him. I did ask the vet, like, at what point do I, like, when I put him in, like, is it cruel? Like, if I'm forcing him to do something that he doesn't want to do and he's screaming. She didn't really have an answer for me. I think she wasn't prepared for that question. Like, I was worried I'd force him in there and then he'd start crying and being upset, but it's totally not what happened here. So all the people with advice, I know it looks mean, but this is supposed to help them.
What are you doing? How's it feel? Oh, careful.
It kind of turned out pretty good, other than him trying to get out. I think this is where I said, okay, that's enough. Brad, come look. Cookie's getting his hydrotherapy. He's walking around in there.
Is he? Oh, good for him. Hello, Cookie. Hey.
See, he's walking around. It's supposed to be good for his arthritis.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's good.
He wants to get out, but he doesn't seem too bad.
No, he seems to be walking around in there okay. Hey, Cookie. Hey, you're okay.
So then he started doing this. It's like he was using his beak to get around more, and I'm not sure why. I think he was coolish, so maybe he was just putting his wings out to dry it off, like, because it was his bottom end. But look at him use his beak. So then, of course, now I'm panicking, like, oh my God, what did I do? Is he dying? Will he never walk again? All that stuff. Look at the beautiful blue on his wings. So here he is laying on his chest. I want him to lay down because because it's easier on his legs, but I think he was maybe tired out from the water. So I think maybe next time I'll just put him right in his cage so he can relax and warm up a bit. But see how he's worried? He's putting all his weight on his chest and his wings. I guess it's all learning, and we'll try different things next time. How's your hydrotherapy, sweetie? Do you want something to eat? No.
This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. Oh, he